Imagine using a single WhatsApp account on your phone, computer, and tablet, all at the same time without interruptions or switching back and forth. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to link multiple devices to one WhatsApp account. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss any of my new videos. So, to start, find your WhatsApp app on the home screen and open it. Once you're inside WhatsApp, the next step is to tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Settings page. In Settings, you'll see a number of different options. Find the one that says Linked Devices and tap on it. Now in this section, you'll see a button that says Link a Device. Before tapping it, go to your computer or another phone where you've installed the WhatsApp app. A QR code will appear on that screen. Now, go back to your phone and tap Link a Device, then point your camera at the QR code. After a few seconds, the devices will be linked. You can now use WhatsApp on that device just like you would on your main phone. Send messages, receive calls, and access all your chats. It's important to note that your main phone doesn't need to stay connected to the internet. The linked devices work independently, which is super helpful for daily use or when switching devices. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.